Good afternoon, Ma'am Dean, Annalyn, o Basligan. I'm John Kisimakas from BS Cream 3A and I'm here to recite the terminologies that we discussed last meeting. And ma'am, wala rin ko nakita nga black mass ma'am, ganapa sa province yun ma'am. Kanina is nag-donate me, nag-volunteer ko as a part of the youth ma'am sa among barangay to adto sa mga donation sa LGU ma'am diri sa province ma'am sa Balamban para ato sa north ma'am. Alignment is the relation of parts of the whole writing alignment or line of individual letters in words to the baseline. Angular forms, sharp straight strokes that are made by stopping the pen and changing direction before continuing. Arcade forms that look like arches rounded and curved line above. Characteristics: any property or mark which distinguishes. And in document examination, it is also called as the identifying details. This one is form, the writer's chosen writing style. Garland forms, a connected or rounded form as curved line at the bottom. Gestalt, a complete or whole handwriting feature as correctly executed. Graphoanalysis is the study of handwriting based on two fundamental strokes, the curved and the straight strokes. Graphometry is the analysis by comparison and measurement of handwriting. Graphology, the art of determining character, disposition, and amplitude from the study of handwriting. Hand lettering, any disconnected style of writing in which letter is written separately. Left-handed writing, or also known as the wrong hand writing. Letter space, it is the degree of space left between letters. Line direction, movement of the baseline along start, up, down, straight across the page. Line quality, the overall character from the ink lines to the beginning to the ending strokes derived from a combination of factors including skill, speed, rhythm of movements, shading, and pen position. Line space, the degree of space left between lines. Margins, the degree of space left around the writing on all four sides. Microscopic examination, any study or examination in which it is made by microscope and other to discover many details. Movement, the manner in which the writing pen instrument is mobilized by finger. The manner in which the writing pen instrument is mobilized by hand, finger, forearm, or whole arm. Natural writing. It is any writing executed normally without any attempt to control or by disguise. Next one is natural variation. These are normal or usual deviations found between repeated specimens of any individual handwriting. Penhold, the place where the writer from the barrel of the pen and the angle of which he holds it. Pen emphasis, the act of intermittently forcing the pen against the paper surface to increase writing pressure. Pen position is the relationship between the pen point and the paper. Pen pressure is the average force with which the pen contacts on with the surface paper. Mga orab dong sa go, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.